Patuloy sa ating mga balita. Personal na nakiramay at nakidalamhati si BARM Interim Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Macacua sa pamilya ng yumaong BTA Speaker Attorney Pangalian Palindong. Kasama nito na nagtungo sa pamamahay ng pamilya ng pumanaw na Speaker araw ng Sabado, si Governor Dato Ali Midtimbang at Vice Governor Dato Marshall Sensuat. Gayon din ang mga miyembro ng BTA Parliament na kinabibilangan ni na MP Michael Midtimbang, MP Tumanda Antok, MP Suaib Oranon at mga alkalde mula sa iba't ibang bayan sa Maguindanao del Norte at Maguindanao del Sur.
Yung situation na naramdaman ng pamilya, kailangan ganun din ng naramdaman namin. Because, you know, Palindong is a part of the Bangsamoro struggle ever since he was the pillars of Islamic struggle when it comes to legal matters. You know, Balindong really is, during the signing of the Tripoli Agreement, he was one of the lawyers with Attorney Governor Zakaria Candao, who on legal matters advised both Miswari and also Salamat Hasim. So it's only proper, it's only appropriate for the Bangsamoro to mourn together in behalf of the Bangsamoro. Kasi kung hanapin mo at saka titingnan mo, like this, hindi matutumbasan yung lahat-lahat ng mga nangyayari na magaganda na kasama sina Attorney Speaker pa rin. Up to the end, this is still our Speaker and he really performs well when it's come to running the Bangsamoro parliamentary government.